In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in the product library in HubSpot. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and click through to the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as well so you land on your HubSpot portal. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and look for the Commerce section. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it. Commerce is where HubSpot centralizes tools for products, quotes, and payments, so that's the right place to manage your catalog. Inside Commerce, select Products. This opens your product library, where you'll see any existing items and the controls to add new ones. Click Add Products, then choose Create a Product. This starts a fresh product record so you can define exactly how the item will appear on quotes, deals, and payment links. Begin with the core product information. Enter a clear, customer-friendly name that will make sense on quotes and in internal lists. Add a unique SKU. Keep it consistent with your company's format so it's easy to search and report on later. In the product description, briefly explain what the item is, what's included, and any key details buyers should know. Next, select the appropriate tax category. This determines how taxes are calculated on quotes and invoices. Choose the option that aligns with your location and the type of item. Tax rules vary by region, so pick carefully based on your organization's guidelines. Choose the product type that fits best, such as a good or a service. This influences how the product behaves in quotes and, for recurring items, how it appears in subscriptions. Now add your billing details. Indicate whether the item is billed one time or on a recurring schedule, and set the frequency and term if applicable. Confirm the currency and units match how you sell. Configure pricing next. Set the unit price customers will pay. Make sure you understand whether your portal is set to treat prices as tax-exclusive or tax-inclusive to avoid surprises. Enter the unit cost as well. This is internal and helps calculate margins and profitability on deals. To make your catalog look professional, click Upload to add an image of your product. Use a clear, high-quality image. Square formats display nicely across HubSpot assets. Finally, review everything for accuracy and click Create. Your new product is now saved to the product library and ready to use on deals, quotes, and payment links. That's the full process from start to finish.